It never ceases to amaze me the size of the legacy estates within the telco market, in the cooling space, the telco market, and that are replaced piecemeal year on year, when some of the companies have adopted large refresh program, and the savings are colossal. I mean, and we're talking hundreds of millions, not tens. Legacy DX cooling 30 kilowatt solution would probably cost about £17,000 a year to run. If we flip that over to the top end and an adiabatic of a similar capacity unit, you're talking £600 a year to run. And when you consider carbon savings north of 80%, and you think, why aren't more companies adopting this approach? Because it's one of these blindingly obvious things. And there are ways of doing it without acquiring massive budgets. AIRSYS has developed a cooling as a service program where there is no capex, where you pay for it as an ongoing running cost. The considerable savings made with modern equipment will pay for the investment cost in new equipment. And there's no reason why companies can't pay for the exchange of systems to modern, newer technologies, greener technologies, through the electrical savings of binning their old legacy estate.